Hello everyone, welcome to Essay Factory. Today we will see an essay on unemployment in India. So let's begin. Today, unemployment is the biggest curse for our nation. It has emerged as a huge problem not only at the national level but also at the global level. Unemployment occurs when a person who is willing to work is unable to find a job even after having all set of skills required for that job. Unemployment rate is also an indicator of health of an economy. Unemployment does not involve people who are not looking for work. Unemployment can be of different kinds like open, seasonal and disguised. Better employment rate ensures better quality of life for citizens. Millions of youth get graduated every year in our country with a dream of bright future. But those dreams shatter when they do not get a proper job related to their domain. Increasing population is an important factor behind increasing unemployment. When government provides employment, the demand of jobs exceeds far more than supplied by government. Another major problem is lack of skills among educated youth. Among the job seekers, it is hard to find skilled candidates. A reason that is guessed behind this scenario is that the syllabus that is being taught in institutes today is outdated. It does not meet the current industrial knowledge required. These unskilled candidates then get associated with informal sector and thus contribute to increased unemployed population as they are not registered and work on very low wages. Inadequate growth of infrastructure, low investments in manufacturing sector also slows down employment rate. It is also observed that women in our country are unemployed to a much greater extent than women in any other country. Orthodox beliefs of limiting women only to household chores is the reason behind it. Automation has also played an important role in spreading unemployment. Unemployment also gives rise to many other problems like poverty and increase in crime rate in society. Sometimes youth are also misled by antisocial elements and emerge as a threat to their own nation. Sometimes they also end up getting addicted to drugs, alcohol, etc., being depressed and demotivated. Many steps have been taken by the government to increase employment in rural as well as urban areas. These steps include IRDP, Integrated Rural Development Program, Training for Self-Employment, NRY, Nehru Rozgar Yojana. But completely depending on government for reducing the unemployment is not a feasible solution, as population of one nation is really huge. We must focus more on self-employment, generating ideas like creating self-help groups and being a job creator rather than asking for a job to someone else. Thank you. So friends, if you like this essay, go and hit like button, do share this video and please go and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.